Hey, what's up guys, my name is Azim and I'm back here with another new unboxing video of a brand new smartphone. And today we have got the Y9 Prime 2019 from Huawei, and it costs around 34,000 rupees, and it comes with a pop-up selfie camera and 6.59 inches of display. And at the back side we have the warranty card, and at the top of the box we have some main features like ROM 128 gigs and RAM is of 4 gigs. Color is sapphire blue and it supports dual SIM and all that stuff, and other sides are just temporary. Now let's take this seal off from the box and take out the box. So here we do have our warranty card, and here at the top of the box we have first of all our device in this plastic packet, and here we have a sticker on the display that is showing the main features like the 6.59 inches display, pop-up selfie camera, AAA camera, 4 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of internal storage and 4000 mAh of battery. Let's keep it aside and check out all other contents. And then we have the folder, a little folder, and let's open this and check out what is inside. We do have a user manual so you can read it for the better experience, and then we have a SIM ejector tool and a silicone based soft back cover. Yes, it is soft, not hard case, and it is cut from the top because of pop-up selfie camera. And let's keep it aside also and check out this USB cable. It is the micro USB to type C cable. Yes guys, Huawei is offering the type C cable in this price tag, and this is just amazing because no other brands are offering these kinds of features. And then we have this adapter. Let's check out that if it supports fast charging or not. And here on the adapter you can see the ampere rating is 2 amperes, so it cannot support any kind of fast charging. It would support just the normal charging. And then we have the pair of headsets, and then we have our device, you can see. And first of all, let's take this sticker out from the display. And here we go, we have our shiny device. You can see the back is made up of blue shiny plastic. It is not a glass, but it gives you a glassy look. So at the bottom of the phone we have single speaker and a type C charging port, a microphone and an audio jack, and at the right side of box we have a power button and volume bricks. And then at the top of the phone we do have a pop-up selfie camera along with a SIM tray. And let's check out that which kind of SIM tray it is. Is it a hybrid SIM slot or dual SIM slot? Let's check it out. And here we have the SIM ejector tool, and with the help of this we will take the SIM tray out from the phone. And as you can see guys, that this is a hybrid SIM slot. It means that you cannot insert 2 SIM cards and 1 SD card at the same time. And I think that Huawei should also include the dual SIM slot in this phone. Must have been. And I think that Huawei should have include the and I think that Huawei should have included the dual SIM slot in this phone, where they're giving us the flagship level features. Then why this feature not? And now let's turn on the device, and let me tell you that Y9 Prime comes with the 6.59 inches of display with the resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels. That is the full HD plus resolution. So it's time to set up a fingerprint ID, and we will also test that how much fast is the fingerprint scanner of this phone that is implemented at the rear side of the phone. And now it's time to set up the fingerprint, and we are almost done. So it's all set up, and now let's move into the user interface of the phone. So the phone is completely set up. You can see that the EMUI 9 version of the Y9 Prime, it is looking stunning. And now it's time to test fingerprint scanner. So here you can see that fingerprint scanner is actually working very fast. You can see as I place the finger, it opens the lock instantly. So there is no problem with the fingerprint. So we have a triple camera setup at the back. The front camera is of 16 megapixel with 1.8 aperture. The second one is of 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. Third one is of 2 megapixel depth sensor and LED flashlight, a fingerprint scanner, and the branding of Huawei. And the device is overall looking very much stunning. It feels very comfortable holding this phone in hands. Now let's check out the system settings, and in the about phone section you can see that the model is Y9 Prime 2019 with EMUI version of 9.0.1, Android version 9.0, that is Pie 9.0 Pie, the latest one from Google. And you can see and we have 4 gigs of RAM. The CPU is high silicon Kirin 710 chipset, and resolution is 2340 by 1080 pixels. So after that we are going to check out the Antutu benchmark scores, and you can see the scores are 129,938. That has defeated 25% of users, and I think that the score is not too much high because it has just defeated the 25% of the users. You can see, and in the CPU it has defeated 32% of users. In the GPU it has defeated 16% of users, and I think that this score is very low. And now we are going to perform the Geekbench scores. So let's check out that how much score just came up. So it's almost done. It has completed to 100%, and here we have the Geekbench scores. You can see the single core score is 1522, the multi-core score is 5419, and you can see that comparing it with other devices, it has performed very low. You can see many devices are performing best than this device. So the scores are just enough. As you have seen the Antutu benchmark scores and Geekbench scores, these scores are just enough, and I can't say that these scores are very high because many devices and many other brands are performing best than the Y9 Prime, Huawei's new Y9 Prime 2019 model in this price tag. So the score is just enough. Now we have cameras to review. So in the camera, first of all we have aperture mode that gives you a kind of blur, and then we have night mode where you can customize some settings, and then we have the portrait mode that gives you the depth sensor effect, and then we have video mode and more options. You have slow-mo, pro mode, and all kind of that stuff. And these are the photo settings that you can customize. And in the rear camera setup we also have the AI feature, and that helps you to recognize the scenes. And then we have the front camera setup. The front camera is of 16 megapixel. It is pop-up motorized camera. You can see that the camera just rises up from the top. So in the front camera we have also almost the same modes like that of rear cameras. You can customize all of the settings, and we have portrait mode, photo mode, video mode, and in more section these are all the same modes like that of rear cameras, like AR lens, light painting, HDR, and some filters. And I will be making a detailed video on this camera setup and gaming review, so stay tuned with me by subscribing to my channel. You can see that the motorized camera is a bit low in speed as comparing to other phones. We have seen these cameras in Oppo F11 Pro and OnePlus 7 Pro and all other new devices, and you can see that this motorized camera is performing a bit low. And I think that this is the reason that Huawei has not included the face unlock feature in this Y9 Prime 2019 model, but I think that Huawei will include it by some updates, so wait for that updates. And now we are going to check out the resolution of the screen by playing a video in full HD settings. So I have opened YouTube, and now let's search for a video, and here we have a video. It doesn't support 4K, but we will be playing it out in 1080p settings, so you can experience the full HD videos on this phone. As you can see that the bezels are very thin and the chin is also very thin, and it is almost the bezel-less phone. You can see the video quality was just awesome, and I was not experiencing any kind of the color or saturation problems in the display of this phone. So the overall experience of this phone is just good, you can see. And I will be making some more videos about this phone, like camera review and gaming test, that will be in detailed videos. So that's all for today guys. I hope that you enjoyed the video very much. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos of this Y9 Prime 2019 model. And I will see you guys in the next one.